gotta put it down, might sit on the cash. Got a little brown, one lick on the tan, little dip on the neck, 6 figure on the hand. I feel like a goat when I sit on the land. When I lift both doors and I hit on the gas, then zoom, zoom, get out the fast lane, boom, boom. That's what
What's good, y'all? Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hello, and if you ain't, welcome back. And today I'm gonna show you how to get these what people be calling these flirty curls for the girls. I do feel like real flirty with these, and like I can get anybody I want. And on top of that, I am going to be showing you how to do this install with only GOT2B glue. No ghost bond, just nothing but GOT2B glue and an elastic band. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So, just started recording because I don't know, I just feel like this is going to be a good wig. This is going to be a good slay, okay? Today, I'm going to be restoring this wig. The first thing I did was comb out any gel that was right here. And I combed out my baby hairs. So yeah, that's all I did so far. And now you're about to see me do the rest. So this is the end results. I like it so much. I feel like I look so pretty. This is the same wig from the last video, so that will be linked down below. And if you want to watch that video, it also will be linked down below. This was pretty easy to do. I wouldn't call this a glueless install because I can't just lift it up and take it straight off my head. It's kind of still, like it ain't going nowhere. Yes. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below and tell me what I should do next. And hit the bell so you're notified when I post a new video. Yeah. I'll see you guys next time.
Trying to get out of set like every man.